Hi everyone. Today we are decoding the SCRL app. If you don't have SCRL, download it from the Play Store. Open the SCRL app and keep scrolling. The further you scroll, the more aesthetic templates you will discover. Single, row, double, travel, classic, Polaroid, trips, and many more. You will find templates for almost every style, and many of them are completely free to use without any extra cost. Just explore, choose your favorite, and start creating beautiful Instagram posts. You will see loads of free July dump templates. Okay, let's create one as an example. I will use a template I already saved. Tap the plus icon, add your photo, then tap export and choose camera roll to save it to your camera roll. Again, let's create another slide template. Tap the plus icon, select the photos you want to use and arrange them however you like. Once you are happy with the result, tap export, then choose camera roll to save the template to your camera roll. Now it's your turn to explore. Keep scrolling and you will discover so many beautiful aesthetic and creative templates for every vibe. Whether you want a clean look, a travel diary, a scrapbook style, a Polaroid layout, or a simple single post, you will find plenty of amazing options. Most of them are free, so you can create stunning Instagram posts without spending anything. Trust me, once you start using these templates, you will never want to go back to plain boring posts again. Even the single post section is full of gorgeous designs. And don't worry, in the end, I will also show you how to post these templates on Instagram step by step. If you love traveling or enjoy making creative and aesthetic Instagram posts, this app is perfect for you. It has lots of beautiful templates that make your photos look more stylish and eye-catching. It's easy to use and helps you create amazing posts in just a few taps. If you want to create your own template from scratch and decorate it your way, let me show you how. First, choose the ratio you want depending on where you are going to post it. Then go to the frame option and start adding as many slides as you need. You can also choose a different layout or style for each new slide so every page can look unique. Now it's time to decorate. Go to the sticker section where you will find lots of cute and aesthetic elements. Choose the ones you like, paste them anywhere on your slide and lock them so they don't move while you are editing. You can also add text to your template. Choose your favorite font, change the size, color and position and make it match your aesthetic. You can also change the background color to match your theme and make everything look even more beautiful. If you want to add videos or create video slides, you will need the premium version of the app. Don't be afraid to try different things, play around with the tools, mix different layouts and see what looks best. There are so many options in the app that you can create something completely unique every time. Just have fun and let your creativity do the work. And that's the best part. You don't need any editing experience to create beautiful posts. Just keep trying different combinations, save your favorite ideas, and with a little practice, you will be making aesthetic templates in just a few minutes. Every time you create something new, your editing skills will improve and your Instagram feed will look more creative and professional. The more you explore the app, the more hidden features you will discover. Try different styles, save your favorite designs, and don't be afraid to make every post look different. Your creativity is the only limit, so keep experimenting and enjoy the process. By the end, you will be creating aesthetic posts that look like they were made by a professional. Once your design is ready, tap export and save everything to your camera roll. Now open Instagram and I will show you how to post the template we just saved. Tap the plus icon, choose post, select your saved photos, adjust the slides if needed. Pick a song and tap share. Your aesthetic post is now ready to go.